Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of ASUS and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on ASUS, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up. And decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. Then close and add. And as you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!